Electron deficiency means mainly having two chances are there. First thing, simple cations. All simple cations having positive charge behave like as a electrophiles. First thing. Second thing, the molecule central atom have incomplete octet. Incomplete. Generally, if any molecule central atom incomplete octet, okay, less than 8 electrons, that type of molecules behave like as a electrophiles. Incomplete octet means these are electron deficiency. So these are acts as a electron pair acceptor. So electron pair acceptors are called electrophiles. Now, haloarenes participate electrophilic substitution reactions, but these reactions are somewhat slow compared to benzene. Why? See, first of all, if I have taken benzene, see this. So it is a benzene. It reacts with halogen, chlorine or bromine. Just I have given one example. In the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3, whatever that. Anhydrous AlCl3, FeCl3. So here it is a catalyst. Particularly it is called Lewis acid catalyst. It is a Lewis acid catalyst. See this? So benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. In the presence of Lewis acid catalyst. Before also I have given this reaction. Now the electrophile Cl plus substituted in the place of hydrogen. See here on benzene, one hydrogen combined with generally Cl minus. That replaces as a HCl. On benzene, H plus combined with Cl minus, replaced as a HCl. Remaining here, which is substitute Cl plus. This is called chlorobenzene. So here it is an example of what we can say, electrophilic substitution reaction. How to know? See, mechanism also have given there, mechanism. What I have given mechanism, anyone? Here, chlorine, Cl2. It reacts with AlCl3, first catalyst. So, what is the nature of AlCl3?
AlCl4 minus.
Very good. AlCl3 means series. So aluminum surrounded by total number of electrons are here 6 only. AlCl3. It is a electron deficiency. That's why it is a Lewis acid catalyst. Now electron deficiency means it accepts the electron rich. Electron rich means if these both electrons transferred on chlorine, that is converted into Cl minus, that is electron rich. It takes the electron rich only. So here heterolytic covalent bond breaking takes place. So we get AlCl4 minus and here Cl plus. It is called electrophile. See that. Now this electrophile, Cl plus electrophile. So on benzene. So in the place of hydrogen, it is substitute. That is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, after that I have given, see this. It is a benzene. For example, here hydrogen is there. See. Now, there is a benzene. Now it reacts with AlCl4, H combined with Cl minus, that is replaced as a HCl plus. Here as it is, AlCl3 is eliminated, so that is called catalyst. Catalyst first participate, after that it is eliminated as it is. Now, after that here on benzene, so which is formed here, see this, here 2 electrons are there. So 2 electrons means it is converted into minus. Now this electrophile attack on this, we get chlorobenzene. See this. This is the total mechanism. Okay, this mechanism understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Mechanism clear? Any doubt here? See, based on this reaction, we can say it is an example of electrophilic substitution on ring, which is substituted here Cl. What is the nature of Cl here? Electrophile, Cl plus. Now, haloarenes, aryl halides, benzene having halogen. These are somewhat less reactive than benzene with respect to electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, why these are less reactive compared to benzene? Why these are less reactive? See, for such case, why these are less reactive with respect to which one? Electrophile. Now see, it is clear. Now, haloarenes, aryl halides participate electrophilic substitution reactions, but compared to benzene, somewhat less. Why? What is the reason? See now, haloarene. Now, no, it is important also. It is a haloarene. So X, right? So if I have taken here chlorine, chlorobenzene, whatever, here carbon. Now in this case, halogen having how many electrons? See, so halogen surrounded, what I have given before, total 7 electrons are present, 1 electron participate in covalent bond formation. Okay, now here first thing. So here carbon halogen between one covalent bond is there. Here halogen is generally, it is a more electronegative than carbon. We know about that. Okay, halogen, you can take any halogen, always that is more electronegativity than carbon. Halogens are more electronegativity than carbon. Because of that reason, this halogen tightly attracted the carbon electrons towards itself. Generally, see, between carbon halogen. Okay, here electrons are there. Okay, backside ring is there, whatever that. Now, in this case, it is a more electronegativity, high electronegativity than carbon. In such case, so the carbon halogen between sigma electrons are there. Single bond is called sigma bond. It is this covalent bond is called sigma bond. Now these electrons somewhat the halogen tightly bounded the electrons towards itself. Here somewhat we are observed carbon electron flow move towards halogen. See, the electrons move towards halogen through sigma. Okay, the halogen atom bonded with the ring. In such case, halogen is more electronegativity than carbon. Because of that reason, the sigma electrons are somewhat the electron flow. That is nothing but a cloud. The cloud we are observed moving towards halogen. This effect is called inductive effect. Particularly it is called, we can say, -I, negative inductive effect. Okay, inductive effect में दो inductive effect रहते हैं. For example, if I have taken so C and Y element, okay, compared to Y here, if I have referred, it is a more electronegativity. In such case, this Y atom, Y group, here X group. In such case, due to more electronegativity, the Y group or atom electrons move towards carbon. Okay, that is called, we can say that is called positive inductive effect. Plus sign. Okay, inductive effect means here two types. Negative inductive effect, positive inductive effect. Generally, if an atom or group, the electrons are attracted from the carbon. Otherwise, the electrons are moved towards bonded atom or group. The electrons, which electrons particularly sigma electrons. This covalent bond is called sigma bond. If the sigma electrons are moved towards bonded atom or group, that is called negative inductive effect. Otherwise, the sigma electrons flow, move away from the bonded atom or group. Here, this is the atom or group. These electrons are away from that. That is called positive inductive effect. Here, which inductive effect is observed? In this case,
Negative.
very good. That is simply denoted -I. -I. Negative inductive effect. Okay, now. Negative inductive effect. Because of that reason, generally, electrophilic substitution reactions means electrophile. It is denoted if I have taken E+. Okay, E+ is nothing but electrophile. I have referred, it is a electrophile. Like a Cl+, whatever that. Like here, Cl+. Okay. Now see, this electrophile substituted on the ring. Okay, here benzene. Benzene is there. So here electrophile on benzene easily attack. Why? Because the benzene electrons are not moved from any direction. Electrophile looking for electron rich character. But in this case, so because due to the bonded of halogen, it deactivates. Negative inductive effect means it deactivates the ring. Deactivate means decreases the electron density on the ring. Yes, all ring electrons. Okay, generally inductive effect means so this carbon these electrons move towards halogen. Immediately, this carbon type, it is converted into partially positive charge, it is a partially negative charge. Immediately, this carbon try to convert it as a neutral. How to convert? Immediately, the first carbon attracted the second carbon, backside carbon electrons towards itself. So these electrons also move towards that carbon. It is also affected for that. This is called inductive effect. Inductive effect means, so because of this halogen, first carbon affected. First carbon converted into electron deficiency character. Immediately the first carbon try to convert it as a neutral. Immediately that takes the backside carbon electrons towards itself. Second carbon. Second carbon try to third carbon electrons towards itself. Third carbon try to fourth carbon electrons towards itself. And so on. Generally, according to practically, after fourth carbon, this effect is slowly negligible. Okay, first carbon to second carbon, we are observed somewhat more. Second to third, somewhat reduced. Third to fourth, somewhat reduced. It is for inductive effect. Inductive effect means, so total the all electrons, benzene electrons moving towards halogen. Because of that reason, the benzene getting somewhat electron deficiency. So that's why the electrophile here slowly reacts or fastly reacts?
Slowly.
Slowly. Electrophile means electron deficiency. Okay, here on benzene, it is a neutral, no rich, no deficiency. That's why the electrophile reacts, attack, substitute. But here, because of this halogen, the ring electrons move towards halogen direction. Automatically, the ring getting somewhat deficiency character. So compared to this here, electrophile slowly reacts. That is first point given. So aryl halides are participating in electrophilic substitution reactions, but compared to benzene, slow. Due to negative inductive effect. Due to negative inductive effect. Okay. After that, see here, most important, one more. So it is called negative inductive effect. One more, say, now here conjugation is there. Conjugation. Conjugation. Which type of conjugation?
Lone pair pi conjugation.
Very good. It is a halogen having lone pair is there here. That bonded carbon having pi electrons are there. So before I have given these structures. See here halogen. So it is a link conjugation. Because of this reason, these lone pair electrons move towards carbon. The lone pair electrons move towards carbon. So because of that moving, what we are getting here? So here we are getting double bond. Halogen getting which charge? Positive charge.
Positive.
Immediately these pi electrons moved on which carbon? Ortho carbon. Okay, next here as it is these bonds. I have given these resonance structures. Because of these resonance structures, okay, indirectly on ring, see, these electrons went to move towards carbon. Due to that, we are getting resonance structures. It is called resonance effect. Resonance effect, resonance. We are getting resonance structures. I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, like the number of resonance structures are given. That effect is called particularly. Resonance effect also two types. If the atom electrons move towards the ring, that is called positive resonance effect. The halogen bonded atom electrons move towards the ring, that is called Klassar effect, positive resonance effect. Because of the positive resonance effect, here ortho position getting negative charge, para position getting negative charge, ortho position getting negative charge. Okay, how to know that? I have given first case mein ortho getting negative, next case mein para getting negative, next case mein ortho getting negative. Okay, resonance structures are given now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here this is called resonance effect. Resonance effect. Here resonance effect also two types. If the bonded atom or group electrons are move towards ring, Due to that, the ring getting negative charge. That is called Klesar effect. Otherwise, sometimes the ring electrons are moved towards bonded atom or group. That is called minus R effect. Minus R effect. Due to conjugation, due to the link, the resonance structures are possible. That is the relation. Without conjugation, there is no resonance structures. Now see, this negative inductive effect deactivates the benzene ring. Deactivate the benzene ring. Deactivate means decrease the electron density on the ring. So because of that reason, with respect to electrophile, it is a less reactive. But here, due to resonance effect, it activates the benzene ring. At ortho and para positions. What is the meaning of that? See, here generally resonance effect is stronger than inductive effect. One concept is resonance effect is always stronger effect. Direct electrons moving. These electrons, sigma bond is very strong bond, slow moving right there. But lone pair electrons, pi electrons, fast moving right there. That's why resonance effect is stronger than inductive effect. So indirectly, this ring getting ortho and para positions electron rich. Okay, according to inductive effect, it is a slow reaction. Electrophile slowly, generally inductive effect work. What about that? Due to the inductive effect, negative inductive effect, electrophile slowly reacts. Reactivity slow. Okay, first thing. Due to resonance effect, positive resonance effect. Okay, electrophile slowly reacts. Okay, if electrophile reacts, where it is bonded, that electrophile. Say that.
Ortho and para positions.
Very good. That electrophile, okay, the inductive effect, due to inductive effect, with respect to electrophile, the reactions are slow. Reactivity, fastness controlled by inductive effect. Fastness, reactivity controlled by inductive effect. After that, the electrophile orientation. Orientation is nothing but bonding. The electrophile orientation. So where the electrophile is bonded? Say where? Okay, reactivity is under controlled by inductive effect. But where the electrophile bonded? Always the electrophile bonded ortho and para positions. According to resonance effect. Resonance effect, what about that? It is always ortho and para directing group. Ortho and para directing group with respect to electrophile. So here, finally, statement listen.
Sir, then in reactant, two products are formed.
Two products are formed. Very good.
Always.
Always two products are formed. Ortho product and para product. After that, para product is a major product than ortho product. Para product, 99% para product is the major. Why? Because okay, ortho means it is present nearest to halogen. 1, 2 positions ortho. 1, 4 positions para. Okay, here ortho position electrophile attacking. Okay, more repulsions are present. That is called steric hindrance. Why? Because halogen and coming electrophile. Okay, halogen nucleus and coming electrophile nucleus. Halogen outermost electrons, coming electrophile electrons. Between repulsions are present. Nearest 1, 2, nearest positions, more repulsions. That is called steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, compared to ortho product, para product is the major product. So now finally, see, haloarenes, aryl halides participate electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, first point I have given, haloarenes compared to benzene, these are slowly participate electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, that is first one. Why? Because I have given due to negative inductive effect. Due to negative inductive effect, somewhat the benzene electrons or ring electrons are moved towards halogen, its reactivity decreases with respect to electrophile. So reactivity under controlled inductive effect. But here resonance effect also there due to conjugation. The lone pair electrons are moved towards carbon due to we are getting resonance structure. That is called resonance effect. Particularly resonance effect made two types: positive resonance effect, negative resonance effect. Very simple. If the bonded atom or group electrons move towards the ring, that is called plus R effect. Otherwise, some cases ring electrons are moved towards bonded atom or group, that is called minus R effect. Here plus R effect. Okay, due to the resonance effect, the coming electrophile always attack on ortho and para positions. Resonance says on benzene ring, ortho and para positions are electron rich. Because of that reason, the coming electrophile always attack on ortho and para. Here we get a mixture, ortho and para mixture. Okay, out of that mixture, which is the major product? Para product. Why? Because
steric hindrance.
Steric hindrance. Okay, what is called steric hindrance? Steric hindrance means very simple. If the electrophile attack here, ortho, in such case, between halogen and coming electrophile, between repulsions are present somewhat. Any group or atom oppose the coming one due to the repulsions between electron, nucleus, whatever that. So, but here para means somewhat less steric hindrance, distance more. That's why the para product is predominates the ortho. Okay, it is clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, here halogen atom is also somewhat negative. So why does the electrophile attack on halogen atom rather than ring?
What better?
Sir, halogen atom is electronegative. So it also acts as a negative center, nucleophilic center. So why does the electrophile not attack on halogen?
Boy, because
And attack on ortho.
if the electrophile, okay, sir, why the electrophile not attack here? That is only doubt, na?
Yes, sir.
अभी देख लो, इधर electrophile attack किया तो, so halogen getting positive charge. Immediately, see electrophile इधर attack होना है तो already halogen here bond is there. Okay, और इधर और एक bond होना, इधर electrophile bonding होना, बराबर?
Yes.
Electrophile bonding होना, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, in such case, halogen surrounded, कोई भी देख लो, fluorine, bromine, iodine. So already having 7 valence electrons are present. It is always participate 1 electron only in covalent bond formation. Or that case only it is stable. It's surrounded cannot exist double bond. Okay, double bond, those single bonds I say exist nahi hote because that is unstable state. Okay, here F is there. F matlab kya hai? Already here having how many electrons? Valence electrons 7. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, sub. Okay, all halogens having valency contain how many electrons? 7 electrons. 7 electrons means it required how many electrons for to get stability?
1.
Only 1 electron. Because of that reason, it is participate only 1 electron participate bonding only. It is whatever that. It is a X or Y, whatever that. It is fine. In this case, it is the stable. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, it is cannot participate. 1 more electron participate here. So if I have taken 1 electron here participating, और एक atom participate किया. Okay, कितने electrons हो जाता देख लो 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 electrons is possible?
No.
No, not possible. For example, according to you, okay, why not electrophile bonded here? If the electrophile bonded here means electrophile halogen between bond required. Okay, such type of bonds are not possible. More than 8 electrons. The atom cannot try to more than 8. Okay, if having 8 electrons, that is the most stable. That's why the halogen here, the electrophile not bonded here. Instead of that, these are bonded on the ring. Right? At the same time, ring में hydrogen रहते हैं, वो hydrogen निकालते हैं उधर से, वो hydrogen small size atom. When it is substituted here, वो place में hydrogen बाहर जाते हैं. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
now listen. So अभी electrophilic substitution reactions में देते important, both important. Okay, it will cover number of 3-4 topics में आते हैं. Now. Okay, some atoms due to the presence of sulfur, oxygen, exceed superoctet configuration also there, 10 electrons like that. When that is, okay, if having valence electrons, more electrons are there, such case I will give that superoctet, SF6 is there, sulfur mein, okay, 12 electrons are present. Uska reason sir, either that is not halogen more electronegativity, it is always try to octet, octet सबसे more stable. That's why any element is there, it is directed. No, okay, to stop. Okay, I have required only 8 electrons. Like that, halogen is more electronegativity. That's why it is no chance more than that. Now here, electrophilic substitution reactions. When now onwards, every time, every organic topic I will give mainly 3 examples are common. Every organic topic coming in next organic, any topic. Electrophilic substitution means immediately I will say halogenation. Halogenation. This one. Same. Halogenation means reacts with halogen. Halogenation means reacts with chlorine, chlorination, bromine, bromination, iodine, iodination, fluorine, fluorination. In the presence of Lewis acid catalyst. Lewis acid catalyst. Okay, halogenation. I will give that example also. Okay, if I have taken here chlorobenzene, either chlorobenzene layer, either Cl2 layer, electrophile. Electrophile place में Cl2. Here chlorobenzene. Here Lewis acid catalyst. What products are formed?
Ortho-dichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene.
Very good. Ortho-dichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene. That is called halogenation of haloarenes. Out of ortho-dichlorobenzene, para-dichlorobenzene. What better?
Sir, hyperconjugation and resonance also form in alkenes and alkynes.
Lone pair are there, possibilities there. I will give that examples also. Alkenes में hyperconjugation is there.
Sir, alkene is not possible.
Okay, सुनो, conjugation, hyperconjugation दोनों अलग है. Conjugation के साथ resonance form होता है. Okay, I will give for example, ऐसा एक alkene ऐसा दिया है. अभी link is there, conjugation link is there. See, अभी resonance possibility रहते हैं इसका alkene का. अभी कैसे देखिए बेटा, अभी वो कंप्लीट होने के बाद उसका सेपरेटली देते हैं एग्जांपल के साथ. टेंशन मत लो, हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन का क्या